If you are getting error code 2813-0998 saying that Nintendo eShop is not currently available in your country or region, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the country settings. Log into your Nintendo account on accounts.nintendo.com and ensure that the country setting is correct. Once the country setting has been updated on your Nintendo account to a country where the Nintendo eShop is available, power off your console and then power it back on. After powering the system back on, you should be able to access the Nintendo Switch eShop from the home menu. You may need to re-enter your Nintendo account login. Method 2. Change your device country in Nintendo Switch. Using your Nintendo Switch, go to the Settings area. Select System, then tap on Region. Select a region where eShop is available. You can select the Americas. Select Next to continue. To view the EULA, select View End User License Agreement. Once you're finished viewing the EULA, tap on Accept to agree. By selecting Accept, you acknowledge that you have gone through and agree to be bound by the End User License Agreement. If you do not agree, it is recommended to change the region setting in this way. Once you have changed the region, try to access eShop and check. Method 3. Visit Nintendo website. To perform this method, you will require another device like your PC or mobile. Then visit the Nintendo website from Google. Log in with your Nintendo account. On the settings page, you will see all the basic information related to your account. Click on Edit next to Profile and change the country. Make sure it supports eShop. Save the settings and agree to the terms and conditions. Now check on your Nintendo Switch and see if you get the same error message. If you are prompted to sign in to your Nintendo account, do it. Type in your password and click on OK. Now you should be able to access the Nintendo eShop. Method 4. Use a VPN service. If you are unable to access the Nintendo eShop due to regional restrictions or other reasons, you can still use a VPN to bypass these limitations. A VPN or Virtual Private Network is a service that protects your internet connection and privacy online. It does this by creating an encrypted tunnel for your data. Protects your online identity by hiding your IP address and allows you to use public Wi-Fi hotspots safely. So, subscribe to a VPN service that supports your Nintendo Switch. Download and install the VPN software on your Windows computer. Connect the Nintendo Switch and try to access the eShop. See if this can fix the issue. Method 5. Connect Nintendo support for further assistance. If you are still unable to fix the eShop error, then contact Nintendo support. You can click on this link and select the console you are using. Then select the issue and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the team to fix the issue. You can also book a repair and follow the on-screen guide. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you get error code 2813-0998 saying that Nintendo eShop is not currently available in your country or region. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.